This morning is our intro into sound desensitization. We started with the vacuum, and now I'm doing the soundtracks that I do with all the litters. And to sweeten the deal, I fed them some wet food, so that will help to associate those sounds with something positive. Here, buddy. Look. Look. Yeah. Here is our Stella girl here, just like her mama. And there's her litter mate. They are chill and laid back. And these guys are enjoying their canned food. Here we have a Grace puppy here and a Grace puppy here. Oops. Here's our Grace puppy. Hi, buddy. Can you say hi? You like the jingle ball. These two litters are at the really fun age where they're discovering the world around them. So wanted to give you a sneak peek. They're developing quite nicely. Excited to see their personalities blooming. And I'll keep updating you as the fun stuff happens. Okay, what guys, say bye to our friends. Say bye.